y'all, Dennis Backyard Barbecue. Today I'm gonna try something that I haven't tried before, and we got these from Aldi. Parkview Cheddar Brats. Man, they're kind of small brats compared to the brats that I generally cook. But we're gonna cook them up, and we're gonna get some sliced up jalapeños and some sauerkraut on here. And let's see how they do. Now, when you cook brats like this, they're like hot dogs. Do y'all like them black, like y'all like the hot dogs black? Or do y'all like them just browned, or just warm them up? Let me know in the comments how y'all like them, if you like them like you like your hot dogs, or if brats you do a little bit differently. I cook them all about the same. All right, so let's get the grill heated up, get these things on the grill, because I'm kind of hungry. See y'all in a minute. All right, since these things are supposedly full of cheddar cheese, and I don't want to explode cheddar cheese all over the place, I'm just on this grill. I generally always have 2 zones going unless I'm cooking a whole slew of hamburgers, which I have never done in a video. So I'm just going to slide these over here on the cool zone a little bit. Interesting fact. All right, so these brats came in a pack of 6 from Aldi. The buns that I got from Aldi also came in a pack of 6. How does that happen? I thought you were always supposed to be uneven. You're supposed to have 8 hot dogs and 12 buns, or 6 hot dogs and 8 buns. Anyway, I'm not going to complain. Let's cook these brats. All right, they've been on here a couple minutes, so let's take a look. See if they need to be turned. Getting a couple of grill marks going on that one. They're warming up. They're warming up. They're not hot enough where I don't have to use my fingers. But we are doing them on the indirect side, because I don't want to blow that cheese out the end. So let's close it up. They've only been on a couple minutes. It's going to be a little bit longer of a cook because I don't want to do these direct. They'll still swell up this way. Let's shut it back down. We're going to give it about 5 minutes, and then we'll check them again. Okay, so the cool side of the grill is running about 450 degrees. And we get some cooking going on now. So it's been a total of about 7 minutes. I'm just gonna rotate these around to get the end that was near the fire away from the fire. And then after I rotate them, I'm gonna roll them so we can cook them a little bit different. All right, so we're good on that one. We're good on that one. Good on that one. All right, stay cooking on along. So we're gonna give it another 5 minutes, and then we'll pull them and check on them again. They're looking good though. What y'all think? Okay, they should be just about done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. I was gonna put them over direct heat and put a sear on them, but really don't have to. Take a look. That look good. I got the desired result. I didn't pop them open and put cheese all over the inside of the grill. Let's go ahead and pull them off. And let's make us up a dog. Yeah, boy, those look good. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I got these things in the house. Look at that. Nice old brioche bun. Let's put our brat in there. Let's open it up, because we're fixing to make a messy one here. All right, get me a little sauerkraut. Drain the juice off of it. Get some sauerkraut going like that. I can already taste this. All right, let me get in here and get a couple of jalapeños out of here. Jalapeno. And a jalapeno. We'll put a jalapeno over here. Now we're going to put our horseradish deli mustard on here. take a peek at that. Doesn't that look like a good old brat? All right, it's crunch time now. Let's have a taste. Sure looks good. Let's see how it tastes. Man, I love me a good old messy brat. Jalapeño, sauerkraut, horseradish mustard. I'm not really tasting the cheese in this though, because it's supposed to have cheese in it, but I don't really taste it. It still is a good brat. I like the big brats that I do better, especially the beer brats. But for the price of this, it wasn't too bad. And it tastes good. Just, I would have put some cheese on it if I'd known it didn't have a lot of cheese in it. Anyway, be that as it may, it still is a pretty good brat for the money. I will be eating all 5 of them, probably not this morning. But anyway, yeah, it's all right. Give it a go. It took about, I cooked them slow. It took about 22 minutes. I did it on indirect heat, and it ended up running about 450 degrees. I will put the recipe down in the description and what I dressed it up with. Got my little Costco drink. Too early for the good stuff. But anyway, I will put that in the description. I'm going to put the Amazon link in there as well. Anything you buy when you use that Amazon link, you are helping the channel, and we greatly appreciate it. Until I see y'all at the grill again, y'all keep on grilling.